So today we're talking about how to get one of these stalks working in your mk3 Mondeo with an aftermarket head unit. You'll need one of these auto leads, number 99X07 Ford. Okay, you've got the patch wire comes with it here, and the blue wire comes off it. It's for a signal feed. Then at the top here you've got power, negative, and two signal wires that run off to the stalk. These two wires here, the white and green, white and brown, and the white and black, run onto the car side of this connection. The white and black goes to the white and grey one, white and black, and then the white and brown one goes to the brown and yellow one. The power lines, I've run power to the yellow and green, and the negative, this big chunky fat wire, the black and green here. And that should power up with, you plug this into the loom on the radio side, and that will run this, so you can control the volume, seek, scan, and everything else. So the wire you actually need to tap this blue one into on your radio side. On my Kenwood it is this one, the blue and yellow stripe wire. This one, antenna continuous, I use that for my power up of my amp. And if you've like me, I've got a DVD player in mine. When you remove the handbrake, right, undo the handbrake, the screen turns off so you can't watch it. But there's a light green wire that if you ground it, that'll work. Okay, because I've got screens on the back of my seats for the kids. Keeps them quiet on long journeys.